Hello, and welcome to my channel. Here I will try to teach you everything I know about Unity. In this video, I will teach you the most used and basic events in Unity. We will be using the same test scene of the last project. First, let's create a container object for our events script. Now, create a new script called events test. From here we will be firing our events. To access them, we need the class UnityEngine.Events. Let's see the most designer-friendly option. Unity events are exactly like the events in the Unity UI buttons. Let's declare a new variable called by Unity event of the type Unity event. Now, in the update method, let's check for the space key pressed down. When we detect the key space pressed, we invoke the event. Next, let's create another game object that will contain our script to receive the event call. Create a new script called test script. In our test script, we will create a simple function that displays a text in the console. Now in the editor, let's assign our test function to our Unity event. It is the same that with Unity UI buttons. Let's test. Here we see, every time we press space our event is fired, and our test function displays the text. Now, let's pass to the second method of use events, the code way, using System.Actions. We will use it in a similar way than UnityEvents, except that here, we do not have the editor choice to assign our functions. Let's set our action as public static, to be visible from everywhere in our code. Finally, in our test script, we have to subscribe to the event, in this way. We call the script containing the event, the name of the public static event, plus, equal, the name of the function we will subscribe. Let's clear here, actions are not events, but delegates. Although they work in the same way. Delegates is a more complicated and long subject. Let's test our action event. Well, we can see, it works just as expected. Now, I will show you how I use actions in a real case. Here we can see that I have subscribed my move function to the onMove event. Depending on the result received from the event, I call the run animation or the idle animation. In the player movement script, I declared my public static action that will receive a bool parameter. Later, in the fixed update method, where the movement takes place, I invoke the onMove event with the value of the moving variable. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.